Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open Fampay and sign in. Once done, confirm your Keeper card is activated and visible under Wallet. Next, link one funding source, either your bank or an authorized parent card, and verify with the small test charge. Make sure to set an initial spending limit and enable instant push notifications so you see activity immediately. These steps get funds flowing while keeping controls in place, and you'll avoid delays when you move to transfers and payments. Now let's move money and use Keeper daily. To add funds, choose bank transfer, UPI, or request a parent transfer. Confirm amounts and complete authentication. For payments, pick Send, select a contact, or choose Enter account details for external pay. When splitting bills, use Split feature to send requests and track responses. If you pay the same recipient regularly, schedule a recurring transfer to save time. Keep an eye on pending transactions and reconcile them with notifications. Finish by securing and auditing your Keeper account. You should review transactions and reconcile balances at least weekly. This prevents surprises and teaches good habits. Enable two-factor authentication, store your PIN securely, and know where to lock the card instantly if it's lost. If a payment fails, refresh the app, confirm the funding source is linked and has funds, then retry. Finally, if problems persist, contact Fampay support with the transaction ID. They'll trace the issue and restore normal service quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.